So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. So, I welcome you to this video, which is as you already read the title, how to create an Instagram post on Canva.com, right? So, first of all, you go to www.canva.com, and so this is what's gonna open up, right? So, this is Canva.com. You're here, and then you search here Instagram post. So you can see here it shows up Instagram post 1080 by 1080 pixel, which is the dimension that Instagram uses. So you don't even need to worry about what's the size of the image you need or whatever. This is already set up here. So as you can see, Instagram Pro, there are 377,000 templates available for creating Instagram post. So let's see. So for example, if you are a online coach or you're selling an online courses, so this is the type of, you know, there are multiple templates you can use for all types of different businesses or anything, basically a mathematical online coaching, digital marketing agency, as you can see, a honeycomb, furniture businesses, all sorts of templates are available here. You can pick and choose according to your needs, right? So I've chosen this one right here. As you can see here, this one. So once you have selected the post on this library, you come up here, and let's say, for example, this is not the color that I use on my brand. So, right. So for example, let's say I use red color. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select all of those things at once, and I'll see what I can do. So let's see, I can maybe switch to red. Okay, so this only changed red, and then let's say I want to change everything to red. So I click on this one, and here you can see text color. Click on it and you choose red. See, it turned red right away. And then let's say I want to change this one to red as well. So here you can see that this is the menu bar right here. So all the elements of this design will have this menu, so you can choose whatever you want to change. So this cloud right here has two colors. So let's see, and I change this one to red as well. You see, like it actually became larger when I clicked on. You can see here. So there are different layers in each design. So you need to pick whatever suits your needs best. So I'm going to show you how I will change the whole design to red, right? So okay, so this one is an image. So I will explain 1 second. So let me change this one to red. Whatever I can change to red, I'll just change it to red. Okay, so this one is an image again. This is the text. So okay, so let me explain what's going on here. Okay, so this element right here, this is an image, and for the image there are only few menu options available, right? So let's see. I could change the brightness, contrast, saturation, filters. I could apply different filters. I can even use different type of, uh, let's say, effects onto this image. But I wanted to make it all red, right? So I'm gonna go to the element section, and I'm gonna click on search, and I'm gonna type in delivery guy. Sorry about my typing. So I see that this one is red right here, right? Like you can see here, I have multiple options to choose from, but I really like this one. So I'm gonna just drag it to the frame, and I'm gonna zoom it in. You see how I'm able to zoom it in? So I'm going to just place it right here as if it's just going somewhere. Then, so you see as you can see, the order now pop-up type of thing. It's just, it's just not right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on the image. I'm going to click on positions and I'm going to set it backwards. So there are multiple layers on this design, right? So what I just did, I just made it backward and I want to move this to somewhere else, right? So let's see, I'm going to just put it onto his little, the delivery box. Let's say. Okay, so I want to change that color to green as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lock this thing. So you see, as you can see that there's a lock now here, and I'm gonna just copy the whole thing and see if I can do something about it. Okay, now let's see if I can delete it. Okay, the whole thing is gone. So I'm just gonna search for a box in the elements and. Let's see, there are photos, there are graphics. I'm gonna pick this one. See, I'm gonna just make it the equal size to the box he's carrying, to the whatever it's called. And then let's make it red. Okay, now you can see it's red now. Put it in the center. I'm using the arrow keys on my keyboard, so it's much easier to adjust it according to according to the size of this thing. And I'm going to pick a text, let's say order now, right? And so if this is like really really small, right? So I'm going to just zoom in and see if I can just you know even make it smaller. And then I'm going to choose bold font. I'm going to choose some other font I like. And then, boom, as you can see. And I'm going to make the text red as well. See, now the whole thing it looks much better, right? I'm going to do more things to this design. Really great site. Okay, really great site. Let's see. I'm just going to remove this one. I'm just going to duplicate this one. So here you can see there is a duplicate option. So I just duplicated it and then just fill the space up with it, right? Okay, and what's left? So let's see if it looks good on white. Yeah, white looks much better. So as you can see, guys, so I picked this design and I just mm, you know changed some elements of it and then I just made my own design of it, right? Like, as you can see, so I gave it red color because I'm assuming that the brand color is red, so the logo, the design of the logo is already red. So I picked the exact color, and you see it took me less than 3-4 minutes to just create a wonderful professional style food delivery post for Instagram, right? So I got this is great. This is ready to be posted on Instagram. So this is an example that I just gave you guys on how easily you can create your own Instagram posts, and this is just one example that I showed you. Let me know in the comment section below if you have some questions regarding this and how maybe there are so many options I haven't explained. So let me tell you about more, right? So here there is templates. So for example, let's say I want Facebook cover page. So I could just search her here, and all of the homepage stuff would show up here. See, I could just press Control Z, Facebook cover page. So these are all multiple templates. Let's say I want a LGBT type post, right? So these are the examples of those things, right? So the Facebook cover was just disregarded. It wasn't supposed to be for Facebook covers. But let's say you want to create something for Father's Day. So I would just search Father's Day, and then it would show me multiple examples of different style of Father Day post for your Instagram account, right? As you can see here, and whichever one you like, you can just delete this one, add a new page, and then just see it came up on the second page. It's right here. So I could again change the font, change the elements, change the image, change the name, change the username, change the colors. I could just change whatever I want from this. It's already created. All I need to do is just make it for my own brand, make it for my own business. And this is quite easy, guys. This is very, very, very convenient. As you can see, I search for Father's Day. Let's say whatever, you can search anything here for the specific Instagram content you want to create. So let's go to the element section. So here you can see, so elements are all the different type of, let's say, these bees, these flowers, sun. All of this is element. Element has photos, element has graphics, element has line and shapes. As you can see, you can pick and choose different shapes, and then you can create your own style of content. You can just uh, from scratch, you can create an amazing Instagram post from all of these different. For example, your data driven style post you wanna create. Let's say you wanna create a statistical post. You would choose these type of elements right here. And then there are videos, there are audios, there are tables, frames, collections. There are a lot of things that could be used very well to create an amazing Instagram post, guys. So yeah, so elements, and then we have upload option where you can just upload. Let's say you have some images, like you have some images sitting at your, let's say you're a jewelry brand and you have your original photos with the model and everything. So all you need to do is just go on upload media, and then it will show up all your desktop files, and then you can just upload. So you can see here I have multiple different files uploaded when I was creating content for clients. So, and then in the text section, as you can see, you could pick and choose different style of. So let's say, for example, an e-commerce brand, and they're trying to run a sale, so they would choose this one. You can just drag it. You can just delete it, drag it. It's very easy and simple. It's quite. I mean, in the beginning, it will be a little bit difficult to get a hold of all of these features, but once you keep using it on a regular, it will just become a piece of cake, basically. So it's quite simple. It's quite easy. So these are the text, different type of text you can use. Let's go to style. So okay, this is a new feature Canva has added. It wasn't there before. So let's see. Let's click on different. Oh wow. So it's basically just it's a combination of colors, fonts, and yeah, it's basically a combination of colors and fonts. And as you can see, as I click on different type of thing, it's just changing the whole post. Wow, this is amazing, guys. I didn't know this was there. I just saw it right now. Wow, this is amazing. See how the whole, it's even changing the fonts, the colors, and according to the theme, which goes well. This is wonderful, guys. This is wonderful. Okay, let's go to backgrounds. As you can see, you can pick different patterns. As you can see, I just chose this one. You can choose. Different type of images at the back of your post. If you feel, let's see, your import, you're exporting walnuts, and then you want to choose some food type of stuff. Here are a lot of stock images. So let's go to logos. Your logo appears there. Okay, so this feature right here, let's say you're a fashion e-commerce brand, and you're just going to upload your logo here. So you don't have to upload logo every time you create an Instagram post or whatever you're creating on Canva. All you need to do is just upload it once, and it will save the entire file with them in this account. If you have a paid version of this, and then boom, you can just drag and drop all the logos to wherever you want. So this is about it, guys. This is what I wanted to explain to you today, and I hope you got value out of it. I hope you like and subscribe. If you got value, if you learned something new, please like it, please share it, and yeah, see you next time.